Okay, so we got a paint sprayer and we're gonna paint the camper today. Well, Mom's gonna paint the camper. I've got to go to a birthday party that I forgot about. But Mom and Tommy are gonna paint the camper for me. Looking clean. I feel bad we're leaving, Nita. So me and my friend Andrea are taping off the camper to put the green on today. So we just put the cardboard all the way down to keep the overspray from, hopefully it won't go above that. And then she just covered the wheels and stuff. And then we just used an old sheet to cover the propane tank. And now we can start spraying. I'm so excited. You're YouTube famous now.
Oh gosh. So we are going to turn our thing this way.
Yeah.
For front and horizontal spray, and then we are straight for. So, all right, that's what we want. Okay.
All right, you need me to pour or hold or?
I guess. I mean, I don't know how well of a pour I'm gonna be, but let's not do it all. Should we not do it all?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Wes will probably kill us.
You're right.
All right. Wes will probably kill us.
Probably. It's likely.
Yeah, he'll be like, so you guys thought the best way to do the paint today was on the porch, huh? Like, you know.
I'm excited. Ready to just get started on
Ready just to pour it on Lakin's hands. It's so exciting.
Love it for me. Love it.
And very good. All right.
Yeah.
Minus that, I did pretty good on the spill.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we did pretty good there. Hold on. So,
I should get some shop rags.
really, what was your first clue? When I dumped the paint? This is gonna be fun. I didn't say I wasn't messy, but I will get the job done with it.
We gotta hose it off.
All right.
Hose it.
It's all for this or nothing. Who's doing the first crack-a-lack at it? You're gonna make me do it, okay?
You don't have to. I just don't even know where to cut the shit on it.
Okay. Now, no way we're not getting dirty.
You got your mask? Or is it good? Oh my god, it's gonna look so good. Yay.
How many gallons of paint did you get?
I got one.
You're probably gonna need more, I would imagine.
Yeah. Well, if we can at least get the first coat on.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your.
One side down. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. Alright, let's see if we're gonna have drips. Alright, see? We might have to back
Back
up
it up.
some. But really, only see one. Yes.
That's the only one I see.
Yes, honey.
We might just went over a spot. That's
Uh-huh.
right where I had to go over a few times. Crap, I see it right there. I'll hit it.
Yeah, but everything else looks good.
Fans had
Yeah.
to show you that I was a mess.
So great.
So you were shrugging your shoulders and told us that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing
There already. Yes. I love. And once I put my little decals on there, it'll be just that.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old.
I hope I can find that other one. There's only one in the box.
We're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying.
I thought it was going to take a lot longer. Alright, so we got some drips over here because the camper is not level and the sun's not shining over here, so we'll have to fix that. But other than that, I think she looks pretty good. Yeah. they're both done. Look at the big door. What do you think? I love it so much. Oh my gosh, so cute. So freaking cute. I adore it. Ah, what do y'all think? She's finally painted. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. It's exactly how I wanted it to turn out. Perfect. Just perfect.